Hey guys, happy Monday. Today is Monday, May 4th. So if you're a Star Wars fan, you may say, May the 4th be with you. I thought I could read your book to you today. You're going to read Why Do Leaves Change Color? You're welcome to listen to my story, and then you can read it yourself, or you can just follow along. Whatever you want to do, it's on Raz Kids. So why do leaves change color? And how many of you think it's because the leaves just die in the winter? Let's find out. Why do leaves change color? Table of contents. So many colors, making food, summer, fall, winter, spring, and glossary. Sorry, Lucy's over here and I just wanted to make sure she wasn't getting into anything. So many colors. Why are the leaves on trees different colors? What makes them change color? In the top corner, you have a deciduous tree in summer, an evergreen tree in the summer, a deciduous tree in the winter, and an evergreen tree in the winter. If you notice, the deciduous tree drops its leaves and the evergreen tree does not. So two types of trees. Not all trees lose their leaves in fall. Deciduous trees lose their leaves once a year. Evergreen trees lose and grow their leaves throughout the year. This book is about deciduous trees. So since this book is a nonfiction book, which means it's true, you're going to see tables or pictures with labels, and that has important information, so we want to make sure that we read it. So photosynthesis, showing sunlight going in. Over here it says leaf gets water through the stem. Here it says leaf uses a green chemical to make food, which it sends to other parts of a tree. Here it says air passes in and out of leaf. So make sure you always read the labels on the pictures for nonfiction books. Making food. Leaves use sunlight, water, and air to make food for the tree. This way of making food is called photosynthesis. A chemical that helps leaves make food also makes them green. Here we have our picture again. Animal food starts with plants. So sun sends down energy, which is photosynthesis. Then the mouse eats the grass. The hawk eats the mouse. Photosynthesis is important to animals as well as plants. Some animals eat plants. Other animals eat those animals. Without photosynthesis, neither kind of animal would have food. Here's our picture. It may not look like it, but this tree is working hard. Summer. Summer is playtime. For the leaves of many trees, however, it's work, work, work. The sun is shining. The leaves are making food for the trees. The trees store any extra food deep inside. The stored food will help them get through winter. Leaves are green in the summer because they are making food. Leaves also have orange, yellow, or brown colors inside them. During summer, those other colors are hidden by the green color. Did you know? The same chemical that makes leaves orange is also found in carrots, tomatoes, and sweet potatoes. The same chemical that makes leaves red is also found in berries, cherries, plums, and red cabbage. Interesting. Fall. Shorter, cloudier days mean less food for trees in fall. Many places get colder in the fall. The days get shorter and the nights get longer. Trees use less sunlight, so photosynthesis slows down. Other colors are hidden beneath the green. Over time, leaves stop making the green chemical, so they lose their green color. When that happens, the hidden orange, yellow, and brown colors start to show. Leaves also start making a red color at this time. An early freeze can harm a tree. Once it gets cold enough to freeze at night, the trees drop their leaves. They do this to keep themselves safe. If the leaves freeze while still on the trees can be hurt. Trees must live on saved food during winter. Winter, trees that drop their leaves are bare in winter. They use the stored food to get through the cold days and colder nights. New leaves take the place of the old ones in spring. Spring. Spring comes before long. Ice and snow melt and the rains come. The sun shines and the tiny leaves grow from branches. Spring sunshine turns a forest green again. Once again, the leaves use sunlight, water, and air to make food. The cycle begins again. Here's our glossary. Awesome. So if you have a chance today, go into your yard now that all the leaves are starting to come back. Walk around and see how many of your trees are deciduous trees, the ones that drop their leaves. There's one in my neighbor's yard. There's a bunch, but one in my neighbor's yard is just starting to come back. And then how many are like evergreen? That's like the one behind me. A little hard to see, but that one does not lose its leaves. I'm going to walk over to my neighbor's house because her tree has just started coming back. Most of mine have come back already, but my neighbor's is still, oh, and they have a little puppy. If you can see, I don't know how well you can see it, but my neighbor's tree, it's just starting to come back. So you can just see barely leaves on there, and they're little and they haven't quite fully come back yet. So if you have a chance today, walk around your yard and see if you can see evergreen trees or deciduous trees. I hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to see if Lucy will come in my picture real quick. Lucy, come here. Lucy, come here. Lucy, come here. Lucy, come say hi to the class. Lucy. Lucy, come here. Lucy, come here. All right. Well, I hope you guys have a great day. I miss you. If you need me, just have your mom or dad send me an email or a message on Seesaw. And I will hopefully talk to you guys soon. Bye.